Hey, this is Dinner with Dad. I'm Marty, and today on Dinner with Dad, let's try it again. Hey, this is Marty from Dinner with Dad, and today on the show we are going to talk about BBQ's barbecue sauce. Let's go! Just really quick on these sauces. The guys who make these sauces, 3 of them are ICU nurses at an upstate hospital in New York City. One guy, John, was deployed to Cuba for a year. We thank you for your service, John. Try these sauces. They're created. Check out the Instagram site. You'll find these sauces on there. Okay, so we're going to start off first with their original barbecue sauce. We'll shake it up. We'll just pour a little bit on the plate. Has a really nice consistency. There are no ingredients. You BBQs guys, don't let me know what it is. And then we're gonna taste it. Yep, that is a great, just regular sauce. Nice and sweet, not a lot of bite to it. What I mean by bite is spicy, very sweet. Be great with maybe a real spicy rub. Be great with that. Okay, so then we're gonna try flip. We'll try the Carolina Gold. Shake it up. Ooh, my. Definitely mustardy. And so we'll go in here a little bit. Yeah. That's your Carolina mustard sauce. Super nice. That's got a great flavor. Nice job, boys. Great flavor. And always rinse your mouth with a little Propel. I mean, rinse your palate. You don't rinse your mouth. And this one is the Tennessee Red. Because we're in Tennessee, so they sent me a Tennessee Red. Wow, totally different color. So it's less ketchupy, probably. More vinegary? Let's find out. Go by order. This one's winning. This one's really good. Again, it's just my opinion. I like that one. Propel. Last one, the Alabama White. Which I don't know what you would put this on. I'm assuming fish, maybe? What? I guess it doesn't matter, right? Tastes like the Alfredo of barbecue sauces. Not that it tastes like Alfredo sauce, but what I'm saying is it's got a totally different taste. Peppery. Let's rate them. Winner. Number 2. Number 3 and these 2 are really close. But I love this. This is my second favorite. And then this. And with the right kind of rub, all of these would be great. If you put it, they're not spicy at all, which is really nice. You don't have to feel, I love sauces that aren't really spicy, because then you can adjust how much rub you put on and how spicy you want to make your rub. So 1 and 2. These are close though, yeah, and then these are close. So maybe they'll call these A and B. But barbecue boys, they're all really, really good. That's today's review on Dinner with Dad, and come back next time for another product review.